You want to know how to see your friends in KoinMaster, so you can also add friends and make friends in KoinMaster game as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can see them in under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your KoinMaster game and you should be right here, either your videos or the spinner. So we have also created similar videos regarding KoinMaster, so make sure to watch it. So now once you're here, in order to see your friends, on the top right side you should be seeing this 3 hamburger icon. This is the menu icon, just like that, and it should open up your menu. And once you're under your menu, here you should be seeing various options. Now right beside invite, you should also be seeing the friends right here, so you can just like that. And now once you enter the friends, you can just simply see it. So here you can see all of your friends that are here. So you can also invite your friends by selecting invite, and you can also see the leaderboard, who is at first and who is at last. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily see your friends. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.